Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel UI Ninja. So in this video we will discuss about JavaScript comparison operators. Comparison operators compare two values and return boolean value either true or false. For example, here we take two variables a and b and check which one is greater, a greater b. So it returns true. Here the comparison operator greater is used to compare whether A is greater than B. So here are some comparison operators. Like first is equal to. It returns true if the operand are equal. Next is not equal to. Returns true if the operand are not equal. Next is strict equal to. It returns true if the operands are equal and of the same type. Next is strict not equal to. It returns true if the operands are equal but of different type or not equal at all. And next is greater than. It returns true if left operand is greater than right operand. Next is greater than or equal to. It returns true if left operand is greater than or equal to the right operand. Next is less than. It returns true if the left operand is less than the right operand. Next is less than or equal to. It returns true if the left operand is less than or equal to the right operand. So here some comparison operators are equal operator, not equal operator, strict equal operator, strict not equal operator. Comparison operators are used in decision making and loops. You will learn about the use of comparison operators in detail in later videos. So first we take one example of all these comparison operators. Open the Sublime text editor and first we take two variables a equals to 10 and next b equals to 5. So we compare these values by using greater comparison operator, a greater than b. So we check this value, save this code and see the result on the browser window. Right click on it, then inspect, then check console. It returns true because a is greater than b. 10 greater 5. That returns true. So open the Sublime text editor and next we use another operator, equal operator. So console.log, you can write 5 equal 5. You can also check console.log 5 equal to string type 5. Save this code and see the result on the browser window. It also returns true because equal operator does not accept the data type. It check only values. So next is another operator, not equal operator. So open the Sublime text editor and check console.log and use the not equal operator. like 3 not equals to 5. And next we also check for string type value. Hello not equals to hello. Save this code and see the result on the browser window. Refresh, then check. It returns true. And hello equals to hello returns false because it's equal. And next we use strict equal operator. Open the Sublime text editor and check the another operator, strict equal operator. Five equals to 5. And next we check 5 equals to string type 5. Save this code and see the result on the browser window. Refresh this, it returns true and another returns false because this equal operator check both the data types at equal value. First one is both values are equal and same data type, but in that case values are same but data type are changed, so it returns false. So next is strict not equal operator. So we compare these values by using strict not equal operator. 5 not equal 5. And next we check with string type value. 5 not equals to 5. It also check both things, value or data type. Save this code and see the result on the browser window. Refresh this value, it returns false because open the Sublime text editor and check the code. Here we can't accept the string. Save this code and see the result on the browser window. First one is false and second one is true because it's not having the same data type or value, so it returns false. But this in this case value and data type are equal, so it returns true. So next is JavaScript ternary operator. The ternary operator has 3 operands. It is the simplified operator of if else. It returns value based on the condition. It is also known as conditional operator. So syntax is first we check the condition, then use ternary operator, then we write true expression, then false expression. So here operands are first condition expression to be evaluated which returns a boolean value, and value if true, so value to be executed if the condition return result in a true state. Value if false, value to be executed if the condition result in false state. So here ternary operator, it's like the short form of the if else condition. Syntax is, we can take three operands here by a and b. So by using the syntax of the ternary operator, we can check the value is true or false. It is the short form of the if else condition. Here is the example of the ternary operator. So first we take one variable marks, value is 50, and check the result. So we can take another variable result. Here we check marks greater than 35. If the marks is greater than 35, then returns pass, and if this value is false, so it returns fail. And check the result by using console.log. So we can take one example of this. Open the Sublime text editor and we can check. First we take first one variable marks, value is 50, and next we take another variable result. In between that we check use ternary operator marks, then use ternary operator, sorry, so we use greater symbol, marks greater than 35, then use ternary operator, and if this value is true, so it returns pass. If this value false, then it returns fail. Then check console.log, value appears in result variable. Save this code and see the result on the browser window. Refresh this, it returns pass because this value is true. This value true, then it returns pass. If this value false, then it returns fail. So here this value is true, so it returns pass. So next is JavaScript Typeof operator. In JavaScript, the Typeof operator returns the data type of its operand in the form of string. The operand can be any object, function, or variable. Syntax is typeof, then operand, or you can also write in operand, write in a braces. So different types of operands we can check using typeof in JavaScript. We can use typeof in JavaScript to check the data type of the following operand like number, string, undefined boolean, object, function, symbols. So here is an example. If we write the string and check with using typeof operator, so it returns string. If we check the typeof operator, write number, then it returns number. Similarly, you can also check boolean, function, symbol. So first we take one example of this. Open the Sublime text editor. So here we check the typeof operator, how to use typeof operator. So first we use console.log. In between that we use typeof operator. If you want to check the type of string value, so we write. So check which type of this value. So save this code and see the result on the browser window. This is string type. So next we can also check another type of values, like you can write number like 4.5. Save this code and see the result on the browser window. It returns number. Because it's a number. You can also check false. Save this code and see the result on the browser window. Refresh this and this is a boolean. Similarly, you can also check boolean, object, function, number, string, undefined. So thank you. If you like this video, so please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Keep watching and happy learning.